How is it going, everyone? Daxellz here, and today we are reacting to another Call Me Carson video. This one we are reacting to I'm Pushing the Button. This is on his live channel, Call Me Carson Live, so make sure you go check out that as well. Everything will be linked in the description down below. Let's get straight into it. And away we go.
Alright, that's it. What's gone gaga?
Okay,
Me? Gaga.
So we're playing Push the Button in this video. In Push the Button, you are on a ship and there's a bunch of aliens who look like your friends, and you have to do a bunch of tests to determine who's human and who's an alien, and you need to find the aliens and inject them into space before the timer runs out, or you're doomed.
Okay.
And most of the time, everyone sucks.
You.
Okay, so it's kind of like Mafia.
Wait.
You.
He's just throwing anyone in there.
I'll vote on that.
What?
Wow! Wow! So who's...
Shortest game.
We got a boy
Guys,
first.
I have bad news.
Let's go.
Why me?
That's not bad.
That would have been insane, though.
Oh my god.
We win, Josh! Oh, we played them all! We played them all, Josh! It was too easy!
It's that simple, dude.
It's so simple.
See, I don't know what I missed, but why did that happen again?
I'm a human. Carson, let's hit the button together.
You want to hit the button?
I think we hit the button.
I don't-
Hold on.
that's-
Who do we want to add?
I don't want to ruin this game,
You
too.
think you
Guys,
hit the
who's an
button?
alien?
Not
Who's an
kidding.
alien?
I think I'll tell you what's pretty suspicious. How do I select this?
I'm human.
Why would they want to hit the button?
I'm human.
Why would you want to hit the button,
No.
guys?
No, I'm human.
Oh, who's the third? Who's the third?
Guys, you're making a
I
big
tell you who's
mistake.
not the third.
This is the biggest mistake you'll ever make.
JHB.
You're making assumptions.
This is the biggest mistake you guys
You know
will
what?
ever make.
You know what? You know what I think? Get him out of here! Get him out of here!
What a simple witch hunt.
This is so stupid.
It's got to be them. There's...
Top of the
If
night,
it's them, I'm
let's
done.
go.
I'm done.
Aliens.
Charlie just shot out two aliens.
Watch this, watch this.
Check this.
Whoa!
What? Oh my god.
Charlie,
Slap
Isn't
through.
it weird that I knew that?
This is just the exact same thing that happened.
Wow.
look at him dance.
Wow.
Look at him go.
I appreciate you guys giving your life for the
Of
cause.
course,
Wow.
always, you know.
Yeah, I like it.
I can't believe I've won twice in a row.
I like
What?
how JHB's response is, "You're making assumptions." Alien.
I'm just surprised. Somehow every time I play this game, it always ends the same exact way.
All right, everyone. Great game.
I want to
I
play
may
the
or may
game this
not.
time.
I may or may not have details.
Push the button.
No,
Oh my god.
I've looked around the
no
room.
one push it. No one push the
Action
button.
first.
I hate this group.
Carson wants to play the game, which means
Oh, he
They've
does. He
legit
does.
not played it.
Oh,
he'll
the biggest mistake you could make.
And Schlatt is throwing him under the bus.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Of course.
Don't vote yes on this. Don't vote yes.
People hit you.
Vote pause. Oh my god.
All right, who played us this time? Let's see. All right.
Oh.
Legal. What?
He lied. He lied.
I'm ready to do one for real.
Okay.
Oh, please.
Okay, yeah,
Just
let's
for
do one
one
for real.
time.
Carson, what if I told you I knew who the alien was?
Oh my.
We ruin every game we play.
We do. We really have.
I think we're playing this how God intended.
Hey, JHB, you're a little bit far away from us.
But you know it's sitting pretty close. This big red button.
Oh, don't.
If you can get one test, I will be happy.
Travis, do opinion holder. I press. Uh-oh.
I selected before you even said anything.
Well, I think we know who the alien is.
Dude, he's not an alien. What's the point of even testing him?
I just want to be sure.
My guilty pleasure TV show is...
Yeah, I don't really watch TV, so
Oh yeah, sure you do.
no,
Johnny
yeah.
test.
Do any
I
Johnny
picked
puts
something. I
science-
picked something that like.
Danny Phantom.
Yeah,
Danny Phantom.
nobody watches Danny Phantom.
What do you mean? I watched Danny
Guilty
Phantom and I liked
pleasure?
it. I liked it a lot.
Listen, I live for the whip crack sound effects.
You're trying to
Here's
tell
the
me
thing,
that
here's the
Schlatt's guilty pleasure TV show is fucking
Johnny test.
The sisters that are hot. The hot
Oh
right?
my god.
Flat, what are the
Come on.
what are the name of the sisters?
Susan and Mary.
All right, all right.
Okay,
He's
okay, he's clean. Okay, here's my question. I know
Ask me
for a
Danny
fact.
Phantom questions.
I know for a fact Josh's guilty pleasure TV show is Family Guy, not Seinfeld.
You don't know that?
You literally tell me all
he's
the
getting
time that
called
you're
out.
watching Family Guy clips on YouTube.
Yeah.
And
then
you
what,
hate
I
it.
can't watch Seinfeld either.
To be fair, those when you watch one of those, that's all YouTube makes you watch.
What's who had a special relationship with chicken?
Dude, I don't watch this show that much. It's a guilty pleasure, you ape.
Oh, okay. You don't watch
ADJ,
the show
thank
that
you.
much, but it's your guilty pleasure.
Yeah.
Interesting.
I like
Okay.
the funny Seinfeld.
I wasn't
The
even
one
happy,
show
I
that
just
made
gave a
sense
shitty
to the
answer, I'll be
question.
real with you guys.
Might be the alien.
You.
There's something about this.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wait, what is this?
Yeah,
Draw
that
your
doesn't look
What is
right.
that?
JHB, what the fuck is
favorite
that?
cereal.
mascot stealing a favorite cereal.
Is
That's
that
The
nice.
what mascot?
They made a Minecraft cereal?
That's crazy. Why'd they do that?
Carson, what did you draw?
That's a bowl of cereal.
What cereal?
That's your favorite one, huh?
What cereal is it?
I'll be honest.
It looks like a banana with pubes.
I'll be honest.
He might have gotten hacked.
It sounds very suspicious, but I'm actually just embarrassed because I just ignored the favorite part of the cereal.
So
Draw a bowl
You're
of
right.
That's
You're
so
right. That
funny.
does sound pretty suspicious.
We're all laughing at you.
JHB and Carson are definitely a suspect here.
Carson, I have a question.
Okay.
Are you an alien?
No.
Does your mom know you're an alien?
Who are you guys thinking? I'm a
I can do
general.
it 'cause I'm human. I can do it.
I mean, so am I.
Why
And I'm
did
gonna
you
put
say
in
Yeah.
Oh.
Making himself
Oh,
sound
wow.
guilty.
No, this isn't a test though. This requires cooperation.
Oh, wait,
People you
what?
Trust. Oh no.
Oh shit.
You
Charlie.
don't know anything about Travis.
All right, guys. There's a unhappy guy. There's a little guy. It's like it's a closed bracket facing down, and then there's two lines going up, curving outwards, and there's two dots on either side in the middle.
What does that mean?
Oh boy.
What's next? What's next?
No, can you repeat
Okay.
the first one?
The next one is two dots in the middle, and then on the side it looks like two of almost those Half-Life A's, but one is inverted, so it's like
Yeah.
And then oh Jesus, Travis! And then on the top, there's like a semicircle that's facing in.
Yeah.
What? Pushing the-
I know
Who pushed the button?
What the fuck?
I have to do this. You don't
Why?
Why are you doing this, Josh?
I have to do it.
What is the bit? Wait, who is that? Oh.
Oh, hold on.
What's this, dude? What is this play?
What? Why are you doing this?
Are we really gonna do this again?
No, it's not worth it.
No, you don't understand.
Bye bye.
I cannot
Wait.
believe you actually passed that vote. I can't
Bye
believe
bye.
it.
See you
Uh-oh.
later.
Boom!
Oh.
No.
Oh.
Glad to
that
be on the
shows.
winning team. Why do you guys just press yes?
4 days later.
There he is.
Raj, whatever you do, don't press the button, okay?
What do you mean?
Raj?
Okay.
Oh,
So-
nice.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. This is embarrassing.
In
I'll
the
be honest
first
with you,
place.
this is unexpected. I'm under the influence.
Uh-oh.
Never a good
Wait,
sign.
go. Everybody's in. No! Who's Michael? We're playing with Michael.
Michael.
If there's ever a drawing one, can I go up there?
Maybe Trev.
Why would you put me up there?
Oh, I don't trust Michael for a damn second.
He hasn't said anything this entire time.
Okay, you think your neighbor is a serial killer, but you need proof. What you should do is tell everyone.
To their house?
You can't just accuse somebody of being a serial killer.
Doesn't matter. It doesn't
By the
matter.
time you put a trap, you could be dead already.
Connor, the general consensus seems to be that you're the alien.
I'll
along
be
with
honest, I
Michael.
trust
That's
everyone's
alien
answers.
podcast. I
I
think you're
trust
the alien.
everyone's answers here.
Why would I let the serial killer break into my house when I could do it to them first?
True, actually true.
Now we can hag.
Oh my gosh, you're an
He said
idiot.
we. He said
He
we.
did
said
say
we.
we.
Guys, guys,
Said we.
I've been hacked.
Okay. All right.
Look, put me up right now. I'll prove I'm not an alien.
Yeah?
Yeah, I
Okay.
got this.
Draw.
Draw a knight. Oh, Nick!
Oh,
wait.
I'll try.
Oh, a knight.
I'll try. Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! You can also
Go to
Nick,
night sky.
Night.
that is not the correct spelling.
I didn't know that. That's not my fault.
Oh, he's defending it
for
too.
you.
He's
He's an
defending
alien.
it
There's
too.
100%.
who it is!
Okay, don't go with this. Don't go with this. Josh and All Tribe are for sure the aliens, by the way.
I literally did you read
Josh,
my last
All
drawing?
Tribe,
It
and
says
Nick.
I'm putting you there for hurting my feelings.
Okay.
You know what? I'm putting you there for hurting my feelings. And you know what? Fuck Michael too.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah,
why?
I agree with
Oh,
that. I
Michael.
can get behind that.
Vote him off, boys. We got the aliens.
No,
He's
don't.
an
Okay,
alien.
thank
No
you,
alien.
Quackity. Thank you.
Nope.
How do you guys know what's going on, man? This
Michael.
Rock's
is
just
like, I don't even
gone.
know.
Connor, can you take this seriously?
My favorite.
What? Why is that bad?
Okay, these are all normal answers. These people, none of us are aliens.
Hit hurry. None of these people.
I
are
don't know,
aliens.
Carson. You seem pretty defensive.
I'm
Oh
pushing
my.
the button.
Get him out of here! Oh shit! Carson pushed the button. I'm hitting no.
All Tribe,
What?
Josh.
What's your problem?
Why?
Carson, I'd like to make my case.
Begin. Okay, make your case, All Tribe.
Do you
Why
see
Nick?
my hat?
I do see your hat.
It's
Yeah,
pretty
what do you
cool,
mean?
right?
Yes.
Yeah, it can't be me.
True.
Begin vote.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Travis.
Not in the
Why,
case.
Travis?
Travis is a heart.
I don't think it's Nick. I don't want
Okay.
to vote everyone off because I don't think it's Nick.
Okay.
Why
Okay.
are
Thank you.
Putting through the
No.
wrong night.
You know who no one's talking about?
Who's no one talking about?
Mike.
It's not. Okay. Okay. Michael can't make a case.
Oh wait, Michael's the captain.
Uh oh.
Why
Michael's
is
the
his name
captain.
spelled like that? Like at least like switch the L and the E maybe.
Hanging. You know, I'm just trying to keep it cool, man. Like I'm just trying to fit in, but I don't know what's going on. I'm just trying to keep it cool, you know.
That's
I'm
okay.
happy to be here.
Why did both Josh and All Tribe not draw anything?
You just keep accusing people.
Why do you think I'm accusing you?
Hey, you know what? You know what, Carson?
What?
That kind of attitude sounds like an alien to me.
Oh
Okay,
my
so you're
God.
pushing the button.
So let's see here. Of course, we got Michael.
Of course.
Oh my God.
Yeah, good choice,
And,
good choice.
If you want to prove yourself, Josh, put All Tribe on the fucking slate.
I mean, you're right.
No,
I
it
mean,
doesn't.
you're
No,
right.
no.
Josh,
No,
do you
no,
see
no,
how
no,
awesome
Mason.
my
That's not
beard
how it
is?
works. That's not how it works.
Not how. Yeah. He needs to. We need to put all the aliens. If there's even one alien that is not in there, we lose.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Which is why you shouldn't have put me in here. So, no. Guys, I need to tell you something crazy. I'm not an alien. I can't breathe in space, but I know who can, and it's Carson.
So we have to, Mason. We have to get all three aliens at once. Quackity.
What's the matter, guys?
Oh my God.
There's no way it's me. I wanted to be a professional full-time Club Penguin player in 5 years. That's it. That's my objective.
Okay.
nothing going
Okay.
on.
exist
To be fair, he did vote no on me earlier.
Oh wow!
true,
Oh
that's
yeah!
true. You
Oh,
gotta remember
just because he
that.
defended you, that means everyone else should believe he's not the alien. That is
No,
the
he's
dumbest
right.
argument I've heard in my entire life, dude.
Pushing the button.
Yeah, push the button.
Let's go. God, you know
I'm
who
gonna
they
be
are. I
honest. I'm
trust
gonna
you.
be honest. I think it's Josh, All Tribe, and either Quackity or Michael. Michael.
Connor, I trust you. I trust you.
No. You're
What the fuck, Connor?
If you think it's me, then go ahead.
Come on.
Oh.
This is it. Connor,
Oh, that's a solid
do you see my
3.
beard? Do you see how long it is? I'm the most trustworthy person here. I'm the most
That's a
trustworthy
solid
person
3
here.
right there.
Do you see my beard?
I drew one fucking thing. It was a penguin. That doesn't mean shit.
I'm voting yes.
I'm literally, do you see my
just
beard? I'm the
letting
most
Michael
trustworthy
win,
person
guys.
ever.
Travis voted no. Why'd you vote no, Travis?
It wasn't Alex. I know it's not
It
Alex.
wasn't me. Thank you. Thank you.
They only have 55 seconds left, 31 seconds.
Who is it, Travis?
Travis, it's really odd that you are putting me on the spot like this.
It's really
Raj was very quiet.
At this moment.
Yeah.
That is true. That is true. That is true. 163 IQ. I'm voting this. I'm voting yes. I'm voting yes.
No,
Guys,
come on.
Travis has
I think this is
163
the
IQ.
honest answer. I think this is the honest answer.
Guys, look, I
What? What?
No,
Why,
I
Alex?
don't think it's that.
Why? Why don't you think it's that?
It is.
It's totally
You
that.
guys really said no to Travis's 163 IQ, and I
That's-
don't blame you. He put me up there.
We have 20 seconds. We have 20 seconds.
Come on,
Who hasn't pressed the
dude.
button? Who hasn't pressed the button? Press the button. No,
Michael.
it's Michael. Michael, do it. Has to be
Go,
done.
Michael, go.
Michael can do this. Michael, do it. Michael, take Travis off and put Raj up.
No, this is it. Michael's got the.
I'm doing it.
Michael, put all tribe up. Put all tribe up.
Got infinity brain.
Michael. Yes. Oh, come on. That's amazing. Get rid of him.
I'm voting yes. I'm voting yes.
I vote yes.
You vote yes to be funny.
but
I
we
mean,
don't have
don't
my
vote
kids.
yes. I'm not an alien.
Wait, no, don't vote yes. Don't vote yes. Quack, press it, quackity.
By the way.
Fucking showing up.
What? You don't have one then. Who has
Oh,
one?
that would have been so funny.
Okay.
I don't think it's Michael. I think
No, it's
Josh
not
and all
Michael,
tribe.
it's
Just do it.
yes.
Just do it.
You guys are making a grave error.
Oh my fucking.
You guys are making a grave error.
You guys are so
Yeah, you guys are idiots. You guys are idiots.
Alien.
Why? All tribe, why'd you act like an alien the entire time?
Literally, I never said I was an alien.
Oh
Why
my
would you act like that
God.
the entire time then, all tribe?
What do you mean? Act like I'm innocent? I don't know what to tell you.
That was crazy. Okay, well that is the end of the video. If you enjoyed that video, make sure you check out the original. I'll leave a link in the description down below to check it out yourselves. Enjoy this video, hit the thumbs up, comment what you'd like me to react to next, subscribe if you're new or just haven't yet. I will see you in the next video. Laters.